Hi, welcome to my new video on how to install a Lenvii 399-B printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require a driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download the driver. So please come on the screen, look on the screen. Uh, this is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After downloading the drivers, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. Basically, you need to unzip that file. It will create a folder like this. Which have driver files. There is a video tutorial as well, right? If you want, you can watch it. And this is the driver, label printer driver you need to install. Just double click on that. Click on yes if it is asking for permission. Click on OK. Choose this option, create a desktop shortcut and click on next. Click on install. Here you need to choose the system type. System type is 32-bit or 64-bit. My system type is 64-bit. If you don't know where to check, so you can just go to your desktop and right click on your this PC and click go to properties. And here is the system type is your 64-bit, right? You can check your operating system version as well from here. This is the edition is Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. So this is how you can check the system type. Go to the installer and select 64-bit and label printer, and here you need to choose the port. Choose the port USB 001 and then click on install drivers. Click on yes. Click on install. Check this box and click on install. Click on OK. The printer has been installed. You can check the printer whether it is installed or not. Go to the start menu and then click on settings. Then go to devices and click on printer and scanners. And here you can check the printer name. This is the driver that you that is installed just now. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. You can change its name if you want. Click on manage. And click on printer properties. Here you can change the name Lenvii 399-B like this. Click on OK. Go back. Go to printers again, and you can see the printer name has been changed. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts to making this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.